Alright, hey guys. Hey, I have a school bus here. It's a '09 Bluebird Vision. The driver was having issues with power, and the check engine light was coming on and flashing at him and making a lot of noise. So they brought it in. We're going to take a look at it and see what's going on. It sounds like it was going into derate mode where it would limit the power. And had a few other things that we were doing to it, so it came in for that as well. But we'll take a look at it and see what's going on. Alright, we've got our scan dual hooked up. We got our Insight, Cummins Insight with our Nextic USB link. Normally I would check it with the key on, but this dash makes an awful noise. So we're going to start it up. Check engine, service engine soon. All the lights are blinking. Panic everywhere. Connect up to the ECM. Alright, finally connected. Then we'll see what we pull up the codes. Looks like we have a few of them. So that counted 25 and it's showing that one's active. So we'll take a look at that one first. The rest of them are all also part of this turbo or actuator, but we'll check out that one first and see what we can find on that. Could be a speed sensor. We have those go out a lot, so we'll give that a test quick and go from there. So in looking down our code, we're going to check out the turbocharger speed sensor. This is the B Cummins. The turbo is over here on this side, underneath the air filter. And then back here to the left is the actuator. And this harness going up the middle, that is for the speed sensor. The speed sensor comes down right behind this is the harness for it, and it mounts right on the back. Right there. And the wiring for it comes down the side, under the turbo, and our connectors are here. So we're going to take this back connector off and ohm out the sensor. Alright, so the code we're going to look up is a 687 over here, engine turbocharger speed data value, a little bit wonky. Alright, clicked on that. Let's go look through some stuff. Talks about the code, how it checks for the sensor every time it's running. Goes down the causes, and then right here, derate in engine power. So that would explain why the driver's having a hard time driving the thing. It doesn't want to get out of its own way. Alright, real quick, we can get to the sensor fairly easy on the connector, so we just want to ohm it out real quick. We've done several of these. There it is, measure resistance of speed sensor with an ohm meter between 600 and 1600. Alright, let's see what we got on the truck, on the bus. Alright, so we're going to check out the meter. I got the pigtail for it disconnected and pulled up out of here. Alright, so we're hooked up to the speed sensor right here with our meter, and it looks like we are getting about 11.3 mega ohms. So that is a lot more than 1600. So we're going to change out the sensor and then see what other codes keep coming back. Alright. Well, it's a nice sunny day here. We got the turbo speed sensor switched out. It's just retained by one bolt down in the center of the turbocharger. It just has the speed sensor right there. And being dark and shadowy, you might not be able to see up in there. Got the black harness is the new sensor put in its location. And it's all zip tied and connected. Next we'll connect up the computer and see if that fixes it. See what else might pop up. Alright guys, we made it back. Seems like our light has stayed off. Once we got up and going, the computer saw the turbo speed moving around, and we had a maximum of 98,000 RPMs, and right now it's just idling at about 1200 RPMs. So and then our code went to inactive, so we'll give that a shot, see how it goes. On to the next project. Thanks guys.